Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to my channel. Today we will unveil the 7 best side incomes for young adults to become a millionaire in early 20s, but before that, I want to congratulate you for such a great decision to focus on a future vision of your success. 1. Mindset. Learn about yourself. You will never achieve lasting success and fulfillment if you don't know yourself. In your early 20s, you are still so young, and this is a good thing, because you have a chance to change yourself into the person you want to be without spending years. Spend time learning about yourself. Learn about your personality, your learning style, what motivates you, what demotivates you, how you respond to stress, and how you adopt new habits. Once you understand who you are now, you can start to make subtle shifts to turn yourself into the person you want to be tomorrow. All success is rooted in self-knowledge. Take the time to know about yourself, and the rest of these steps will be much easier. 2. Develop skills, high performance, and personal development. Once you learn about yourself, you must take time to learn more about high performance and personal development. Success leaves clues. The multimillionaires that you admire and aspire to be like didn't achieve success by accident. They did it by following a formula, by following a set of habits and activities that helped them achieve success. Read books related to wealth, personal development, and emotional intelligence. Also, develop skills like video editing, graphic design, and website development. This skill helps you to get a bunch of money as a side income. By following these 2 steps, you will learn how the 1% thinks and behaves differently from the 99%. 3. Freelance. Start freelancing or consulting. One of the easiest ways to create an additional stream of income is to start freelancing or consulting in your area of expertise. You can use websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to find clients and start working on projects in your spare time. If you have a question about freelancing, leave a comment and I will make a video. Let's dive into next. Remember, we are talking about how to be a millionaire in your early 20s. If you are watching this video and yet not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and get more engaging content like this. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a marketing model in which third-party publishers promote a merchant's goods or services and receive a percentage of the sales or web traffic made as a result. Affiliate marketers get paid a commission for referring customers to companies where they make purchases. These commissions can range from less than 1% to 20% or more. You can make money with affiliate marketing using social media like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok platforms. But be sure to post with your related niches on the platform. Have you wondered when people are making thousands of money online? Here is the thing 5. Create and sell digital products. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, and digital art can effectively create passive income streams. You can create these products once and then sell them over and over again, providing a steady source of income. Now you may think, how can I create those digital products? Don't worry, here are some steps on how you can create your digital courses. 1. Choose your niche and audience. Identify a niche or topic you are knowledgeable and passionate about. Research your target audience and understand their needs, pain points, and preferences. 2. Use sources like PLR, Reseller, BookBub, and Quora to get free books and information related to your topics. Validate your idea. Before creating anything, validate your product or course idea. You can do this through surveys, social media polls, or by asking your target audience for feedback. 3. Create your digital product or course. Develop your digital product or course content. This may include ebooks, video courses, PDF guides, templates, or software tools. 4. Ensure your content is high quality, valuable, and addresses the needs of your target audience. Organize your content logically and provide clear instructions. 6. Intellectual properties. Monetize your ideas. This is like being an entrepreneur. If you are creative and intellectual with effective idea generation, you are on the right way to building wealth and financial success. There are several ways to monetize your ideas, but before that you need two things. 1. Safeguard your idea through patents or copyrights to secure its value before monetization. 2. Seek funding options for your startup, including angel investors or venture capitalists, to turn your idea into a viable business. To monetize your idea, you can create a website or blog and monetize it. 7. Start to invest early. By starting to invest early, you will have the scarcest resource in today's world which even money can buy: time. You will have time by your side which will help in accumulating enough wealth for the future. The magic of compounding can only be seen when you have time by your side. They both move hand in hand. One of the added advantages of investing early is that you become a financial expert, as you have made those early and mundane mistakes where people like you have lost a fortune, but you, on the other hand, have learned from that mistakes at a minimum cost. You have learned the art of value investing and how to minimize your risk and losses. Abraham Lincoln once said, "If I had 6 hours to chop down a tree, I'd spend the first 4 hours sharpening the axe." So before entering into the world of business, you should give some time to learn and research. There's Udemy, Allison, Skillshare, and many other platforms through which you can learn so many skills with a very small investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content and share this video with your friends. Good luck on your financial journey.